We got the super fancy Craftmade ceiling fan motor. Didn't come with any blades because it was dumped on the curb, but I'm not gonna wire this one up. I have another ceiling fan that came with the blades and the light bulbs and everything, but that's for another time. Doesn't seem pretty tough. Even though it's purely metal. I really only grabbed this because of how much copper is inside of it. Might as well make a video of me smashing it too. Where are my pliers? I didn't even put gloves on. How stupid of me. And where did my pliers go? Oh, whatever. Where's that little switch? There it is. Change the oscillation. Tearing these things up. So it should come off easily. That still spins. Thing's a pure hunk of steel. Model. There's not really much that I can do with this thing. Alright, what I'm going to try and do is just unscrew it and see if we can break the insides open. I'll give these motors something. They are pretty tough. I'll give them that. I'm also not trying to hurt myself. the gloves back on for this one, because maybe it needs a little, what do you call it, brute force. You catch my drift. I need to get this thing off. Come on, get off. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God. Look at all that copper. Look at all that. So for everyone that's going to leave a hate comment on this video, this entire motor can get recycled. It's completely metal. These chains are probably like aluminum or something. The plastic can get recycled. The rest of the main part of the motor is steel, and the copper sells for a lot more than steel. So for everyone that's about to leave a hate comment, look at this. This could have been sitting in a landfill, but no, it's going to be recycled and completely turned into something else that can be reused. Happens to every single electronic that comes in here. It's fully recycled. Thanks for watching.